Welcome back. Why do you think I love programming? I love programming because I think programming is cool. It is a lot of fun and I love solving problems. The combination of solving challenges while having a lot of fun is awesome. In this course, we would want to help you to develop a love for programming. If you had bad experiences in learning programming earlier, forget about them. Start afresh, and I promise this will be an awesome roller coaster ride. Let's take a step back and think what are the important things you would need to learn to be a great programmer. As a programmer, you'd want to solve problems. You want to get the computer to do things for you. To be able to do that, you need to have problem solving skills. You need to be able to look at a problem and identify the important programming concepts that are important to solve the problem. And then you need to be able to use the language specific syntax to be able to express your solution in a specific programming language like Java or Python or Scala. While all this looks complex, we would make it very easy for you. We would take you through these steps for a variety of programming challenges. We will start with simple challenges like multiplication table and gradually increase the difficulty level over the duration of the course. One important thing you need to remember is that learning to program is a lot like learning to ride a bicycle. The first steps are the most difficult ones. Once you get over these initial steps, it becomes a lot of pure fun, just like riding a bicycle. Are you ready for your first programming challenge? Let's get going now. I'll see you in the next step where we would start with our first programming challenge. Congratulations and good luck.